In this video, we'll look at how you can create and customize 3D text and basic shapes in Dimension. To create a new text or basic shape object, simply click on it in the Starter Assets panel. A new object will be added to your scene with default properties. In the Properties panel, you'll see the text properties, which includes the display text, the font, alignment, character, and line spacing, as well as the overall font size and depth. You can choose from any font installed on your device, including fonts synced from Adobe fonts. 3D text also includes bevel properties, which control the edges of the text. There are several profiles for different styles of hard, round, and outline bevel styles. You can customize the width and angle of the bevel and choose to repeat the profile and adjust the spacing between repeats. Text has smart material regions for the front, sides, back, and edge regions of the text, so you can quickly assign materials to parts of the text object. You can edit the look of materials, easily adjusting color, adding textures, and changing properties to get the look you want. Text is non-destructive, so at any time you can change your display text or font properties. The bevel and material regions will automatically update as you adjust those properties. In addition to text, you can also create several basic shapes in Dimension. There are plane, cube, sphere, cylinder, torus, and cone shapes. Each shape has a unique set of properties that control the final look. With the torus shape properties, you can adjust the radius of the ring and pipe, as well as the number of sides. You can also use the slice property to remove a slice of the torus from a range of 0 to 360 degrees. Both 3D text and basic shape objects dynamically adjust their layout, which means your materials will always look great when you change their size properties. You can still use the transform tool and size settings, but features and materials will be stretched with this approach. To access decals and subpart movement, use the Convert to Standard Model action in the Actions panel. Once you convert a parametric model to a standard model, you will freeze the current properties and then can have full functionality for decals and object positioning. While Dimension is not a full modeling tool, these features can be helpful in adding creative elements to your existing scene or building foundational parts like walls and tables to help stage your overall scene. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how you can create original text and shape objects in Dimension to include in your composition. We can't wait to see what you make.